Hello there, welcome to Question of the Day, and this is number 20 in a series that I've been running throughout September and into October on my Facebook page. And today's question is taken from an intermediate maths challenge, and what I've got to do is I've got to read the instructions very carefully, and then I've got to work out the total weight of a box, 10 plates and 20 cups even. So I think what I'm going to do in this question, I think I'm just going to simplify everything by defining my variables. So I'm going to define B as the weight of the box. I'm going to define P as the weight of a plate. And I'm going to define C as the weight of a cup. And I tend to find it easier to work in grams rather than kilograms for a question like this. So I think I'm going to say that all of those weights are going to be in grams. I know there's 1,000 grams in a kilogram. So my first weight that I've been given, I'm just going to convert to grams. And the second weight I've been given, I'm going to convert that to grams as well. I think it would just be easier to work with whole numbers rather than decimals, but you can work with whatever you like. As I always say, my way is not necessarily the best way, it's just a way. So my first piece of information says that the total weight of a box and 20 plates and 30 cups is 4.8 kilograms. Well, that's going to be 4,800 grams. I've also been told that the weight of a box plus 40 plates and 50 cups is going to be 8,400 grams. Now, what I need is the weight of a box, 10 plates and 20 cups. So I'm going to have to bear that in mind, that is what I'm going to need. Now, let's have a look at those pieces of information that I was given there. I think one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply everything by 2 in my first equation. And if I do that, I get a new equation, which is 2 boxes and 40 P's and 60 C's, which is going to give me 9,600 grams. That's my first equation. That's my second one. I've now got a third equation. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write my second equation underneath, which is B and 40P and 50C. I'm going to subtract them. Let's just write that one there. I'm going to subtract them so I get a box, no plates, 10 cups, and the difference between those there, which is 1,200 grams. And that's quite useful, and that tells me that a box and 10 cups is going to be 1,200 grams. I might need that in a bit, so I'm just going to highlight that one there. Now, what I'm going to do next is underneath my equation 2, I'm going to write equation 1 again, which is 4,800 grams. That's equation 1. I'm going to do the same there. I'm going to subtract those equations, and I'm going to get 20 plates and 20 cups, which is going to be the difference between those values there, which is actually going to be 3,600. And I'm going to divide everything by 2 on both sides of my equation. So every single term I'm going to divide by 2. 1,800 grams there. I've got another piece of information. I've been told that 10 plates and 10 cups is 1,800 grams. I might just put a little G there to remind me. Now, if I put those two pieces of blue information together, I've got a box and 10 cups, and I've got 10 plates and 10 cups, and I know that they add up to 1,200 grams and 1,800 grams. And I think that's everything we need. That's a box, 10 plates, 20 cups, and that's going to give me 3,000 grams, which is 3 kilograms. And I believe I've answered the question. The final answer was A, and there we go. I hope you got that right. I thought that was quite a tricky question because that box gave me 3 variables. and I had simultaneous equations, and it was going to be really difficult to find the individual values of the weights of the plates and the cups in the box. So I decided to find out combinations of their weights that would come together to give me the weight of exactly what I needed. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.